Is this for Lily? Yeah, that's from Allie. Open it up. Bow. Yeah, put it somewhere else. Good job. Oh. Keep opening it. Keep opening. Let Mama help. What's in there? Open it. Mama help with the tape? Yes. Open it up.
Hurry up, open it.
Try this side. Here, there. Pull it. You want your bow back? Okay. Oh. Here. Put that there.
Open up the gift. Come on. Show us the gift. What's in there? What you got? What you get? What you get? Oh.
What's that? Oh, Lily's room. How cute is that? It says Lily's room.
It doesn't open, that's a sign.
Yeah, it doesn't open. It's just the way it is.
That's for Lily. It says that's Lily's room.
It says where Lily lives.
Cute.
Say thank you. Thank you. You like the bow. Okay. Want to say thank you to Allie? Aw, that's sweet.